Hey guys, fixing the error connection closed Chrome error is very easy. Just go to Start button, click on Settings, click on Network and Internet, go to Proxy and disable all the enabled options here. Now click on Status, go to Change Adapter Options, right click on it, Properties, click on Internet Protocol version. Now type the Google preferred server name, which is 8888 and the alternate DNS server is 4222. Click OK, OK, close the window. Now again go to Start button, type cmd and run as administrator. Now type ipconfig space /+DNS and press enter. Second command is ipconfig space /release, press enter. Third command is ipconfig space /renew, press enter. And the last command is net space winsock space reset and press enter. Once done, type exit and your problem is solved now.